Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Dow Jones futures for Tuesday, October 24th. For the record, today is Monday, October 23. Time is around 6:50 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart of the Dow Jones, and to be honest, a lot of scenarios can play out from here. I would say generally, I think we better look at the Nasdaq for further guidance on the market. And yeah, if I look at the Nasdaq, I would say like the corrective move is not over at all. Like we took out this low here in the Nasdaq, which means that yeah, we now have an incomplete corrective structure down in the Nasdaq, which means that we will see more corrective downside. But to have this corrective downside, we can have actually several paths in this corrective downside. Like that does not mean like from here we can even start a rally up, a rally that fails, and then we go down again. That's one of the possibilities in the Nasdaq, which means that in the Dow Jones we also get several scenarios. One of them can be like if the Nasdaq does not make a fifth wave down, then on the lower time frame, then it means for the Dow Jones that this low here might hold, and that this here could play out as an A, B, C structure up, and that we have a wave X, so that we go into this area here, the wave X area. That's a possibility. Another possibility is that especially if the Nasdaq makes the fifth wave down in the lower time frame, then or wave X is in right here, it would mean we had a shallow wave X right here. Then we missed our area, but we came in the end quite close. And then what we should further see is this part right here. So doing a wave Y from here again in 3, 1, 2, 3, and then this can unfold as an ABC structure or WXY structure. That's also a possibility. And then finally, what also could play out is I put it the five waves again on my chart, because that's also another possibility if the Nasdaq makes the fifth wave down. So that would mean for the Dow Jones that we get wave 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and then here this as a fifth wave. So as you can see, a lot of scenarios in the Dow Jones makes it difficult to trade. I think we can definitely not use it as guidance, the Dow Jones, because we have too many scenarios. But what I would expect, like if we take out this low, we are ending with divergence right here, and then this here looks actually like a nice five waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we take out the low, I would expect some kind of rally to the upside, then be it as a wave B or something. For the moment, also do not please consider the left side from here, because I have to change this depending on what we are getting here. But like I said, we are not using the Dow Jones for guidance. So what's happening here, or what did happen here, is not important for now. So a lot of scenarios in the Dow Jones. If we make another low right here, I would expect a rally, some kind of rally that then eventually fails again, and then we see more downside. However, could be that we actually hold also this low, and that we get this kind of move as an A, B, C. So that's also a possibility. I know this is a lot to um, to deal with, a lot of possible paths we can follow now, but yeah, I'm afraid it is what it is. I cannot really say solely based on the Dow Jones what my preferred path now is. I would simply look at the Nasdaq, and yeah, by having some more data like tomorrow, in the next hours, if we don't get this fifth wave down in the Nasdaq, then yeah, we might start some kind of rally from here to the upside. So let's have a look tomorrow with additional data where we exactly are. That's it for now. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.